congratulations, and you are one of the top 8. Oo. At syempre, partner, bago yon,
Yes, sir.
bigyan muna natin ng chance si candidate number 11 kung sino yung gusto niyang pasalamatan tonight.
Oh my God. Well, first of all, I would like to thank myself. Without me, I wouldn't be here. So thank you, self. True. Second of all, I want to thank my team, the people behind the beautiful lady in this facade. Thank you so much to my manager. Thank you so much to my makeup artist, to my wardrobe provider, and of course, to all my assistants. Thank you. And lastly, I would like to thank the organization. Thank you for bringing this show and letting the people of Barangay of Mali witness a one-of-a-kind experience. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Next candidate.
Uy,
Ay, hindi pa ba tapos? Akala ko yun na yung tanong.
Hindi pa.
Oo, I love it. Are we ready?
Ready na?
Oh, we're very much ready. So, bubunot ka ng iyong magiging question. Okay. This is your question. And it's a back-to-back. Joke lang. The question is, HIV cases is now alarming and rampant to us LGBT. We all know that lots of sexual course that we had is not taking safe sex sessions due to pleasure that we felt. As a voice of change queen, what program or platform you can use to inspire our HIV patient, LGBT, to never lose hope and thinking that their life will no longer last?
Ladies and gentlemen, I would not go far. I would like to thank the team who's organized a testing area at our back. They're conducting HIV testing, and the platform or the activity that I will do in order to promote this activity is to amplify and to make people aware that this is very important to us, not just to us LGBTQ plus individuals, but also to all the heterosexual male and female. Because I do believe that if we are aware and if we are well educated of this stigma, then we can fight this all together, hand in hand. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, candidate number 11. Next.
Thank you very much, candidate number 11. Up next, let's call in our candidate number 6, Miss Rabia Mateo.
Miss Rabia. And it's so Rabia.
Yes. Ang tangkad.
What a towering height. Anong height ni Miss Rabia?
I'm 5'11" without heels, but when I'm wearing, I'm 6'4".
Wow.
6'4".
Without heels, 5'11". Okay.
I'm half Pakistan, that's why I'm tall.
Ah, she's half Pakistan. And motherfucker is there.
Yes.
Where's motherfucker? Okay. So good luck to you. Half Pakistan kaya pala ganun ang ano niya,
Yes.
face.
Pick your question.
And your question. Teenagers in our modern world is now facing lots of health issue. At their youngest age, especially LGBTQI plus youth, attacking their mental health due to different conflicts inside and outside. As a impactful queen tonight, what motivational message can you give to those youth who experience mental health issues? Again, teenagers in our modern world is now facing lots of health issues. At their youngest age, especially LGBTQI plus youths, attacking their mental health due to different conflicts inside and outside. As a impactful queen tonight, what motivational message can you give to those youth who experience mental health issues?
Thank you so much. First, I will tell to that child or to that youth or to a part of LGBT that being a member of LGBT, it's very hard. You will face a lot of discrimination, but don't worry, my dear. Don't think about what they say. Huwag mong iisipin ang sasabihin ng ibang tao nang sa ganoon ay hindi maapektuhan ang mental health mo. Bagkus lahat ng masasakit na salita na ibinabato nila sa iyo, pangdidiskrimina at masasakit na mga salita, panlalait, pangyuyurak at pang-aapak, gawin mo itong motivation upang maging matapang at best version of yourself. Nang sa ganoon, ang mental health mo ay patuloy pa rin malusog. Dahil simple lamang yan, lahat ng basher, lahat ng mga nandidiskrimina, simple lang yan para maiwasan ang mental health issue. Treat them like a ghost. Like they are existing, but you cannot see them. Kaya aking kapwa LGBT, ipakita mo na ang ating bandera ay hindi...
Thank you very much. That was our candidate number 6, Miss Rabia Mateo.
Thank you.
Again, to all our candidates, 1 minute to
Yes.
answer the question.
And up next, let's call in our candidate number 9, Miss Karen Montesilio.
Hello, Karen.
Hi.
So beautiful tonight. And you will pick now your question. Different issues lies nowadays that creates great impact to our society. As a queen, what do you think is the crucial issue that LGBTQI plus is continuously facing right now? And how can a queen like you will help the young LGBTQIA plus to cope up into this, yes. Again, different issues lies nowadays that creates great impact to our society. As a queen, what do you think is the crucial issues that LGBTQIA plus is continuously facing right now? And how can a queen like you will help the young LGBTQIA plus to cope up into this?
Wow, maraming salamat po. There are a lot of things of issue about LGBT community that we are facing right now. But the crucial issue that we are facing is sa amin pong membro ng LGBT community ay naghihilahan po kami ng pababa at nagpapataasan ng ihi at nagpapataasan ng ere. Sa amin po dapat una magsisimula ang pagtatanggap at pagtaare-respeto sa bawat isa. At bilang isang reyna, tutulungan ko po ang mga batang LGBT community na huwag po natin hihilahin pababa ang ating kapatid na LGBT community dahil tayo po ang unang-unang mag-aangat sa ating bandera upang tanggapin tayo dito sa ating bansa. Remember, what you do to yourself dies with you, but what you do to humanity remains in forever. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat, Miss Rabia. Miss Karen Montesilio. Thank you, Miss Karen.
Thank you, Karen. Up next, let's call in our candidate number 4, Miss Andrea Brillantes.
Andrea.
Hello, Andrea.
Magandang gabi. And once again, congratulations. You are one of the top 8 finalists.
Of course, I would like to thank the judges for the opportunity. I won't be here if it wasn't for you guys. Thank you very much.
Okay, so pick your question. The question. The world is beautiful, so do our hope as well for us to be seen as LGBTQIA+. If you will given a chance to have one power of a queen, what would that be, and how can you use that power to visualize to the younger soul LGBTQIA+, how beautiful our world is? Again, the world is beautiful, so do our hope as well for us to be seen as LGBTQIA+. How will you, or if you will be given a chance to have one power of a queen, what would that be, and how can you use that power to visualize the younger soul LGBTQIA+, how beautiful our world is?
Thank you very much. For the longest time, we LGBTs have been colored over, specifically our rights, by many people. If I would have a power, it would be the ability to remove cynics. Cynics are those people who always see the negative sides of other people without knowing who and what they are. Huhusgahan kanila kahit hindi kanila kilala. Sila mismo ang tatanggalin ko sa ating mundo, because if they do not exist, negativity, discrimination, war, and every single thing that is negative will not foster and will not be present in our world. Something that not only the LGBT will be happy about, but every single individual here in this globe. I believe that this ability is something that is positive for every single individual. Why? Because with all of negativities that we have experienced, wag na po nating dagdagan ng pagpapahirap ng bawat isa. Bagkus lagi nating pagaanin.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Miss Andrea.
Miss Andrea Brillantes.
Up next, let's call in our candidate number 8, Miss Ashley Cruz.
Ashley. Christian.
Halika na dito.
At si Christian niya ang magbabasa.
Yes, dahil masakit na ang mata namin.
Masakit na ulo ko.
Pick your question.
Hello, girl. Congratulations.
Babasahin na ni Christian.
If you will be authorized to break one rule just for one day, what rules these, and how can these rules will change the society? If you will be authorized to break one rule just one day, what rules is this, and how can these rules will be change this society?
All right, thank you so much for this question. If I will be able to break one rule, that would be ay magnakaw. Dahil lagi nating tatandaan, magnanakaw po ako para sa mga taong kulang, para sa mga taong nasa likod, at para sa mga taong nahuhuli. I will break this rule to change the society, to break the stereotype, and for me to be able to help the most vulnerable one, making sure that no one is left behind. Because always remember, ladies and gentlemen, we live in a world where it's very cruel. Well, then definitely, allow me to help. Pagtulong lang po ang gagawin ko. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. Candidate
you.
number 8.
8, Ashley Cruz.
Ashley.
Up next,
Next.
we have candidate number 3, Miss Pawa Talan.
Pow. Pinabasa ko na si Christian kanina. Akala ko mahaba yung babasahin.
Nung kay Christian,
Maikli.
maiksi na.
Hi, Pow.
Pick your question.
Take your question. Si Christian ulit. Sige, para masanay si Christian.
Nowadays, we face lot of flash floods and typhoons that turns into devastation for us. As a queen, aside from planting trees or helping to clean and green activities, what are the other ecological activities that you can contribute to our environment to prevent the occurrence of climate change and global warming? Nowadays, we face a lot of flash floods and typhoons that turns into devastation for us. As a queen, aside from planting trees and helping to clean and green activities, what are the other ecological activities that you can contribute to our environment to prevent the occurrence of climate change and global warming?
Thank you so much. I think this is the hottest and one of the issues that we're facing nowadays. That is the climate change. The best thing that we can do as a simple Filipino here at Mali, Barangay Mali, is we need to segregate ang nabubulok at sa di nabubulok. And we should protect our nature sa simpleng pagtatapon ng basura sa tamang basurahan. Let's always remember, our nature is dying nowadays, so we need to protect our Mother Earth. Let's always remember this, that people can't live without the nature, but nature can live without us. Thank you and good evening.
Maraming salamat. Candidate number 3.
Thank you, Miss Pao.
Parang masyado natin pinahirapan si Christian. Siya natin hatid sundo, siya pa nagtatanong.
Yes.
Next.
Up next, let's call in our candidate number 13, Miss Anne Cruz.
Go, Miss Anne.
Hi.
Okay, pick your question. And your question.
Politics is being rampant to all news nowadays. As a queen, how can you see your voice of inspiration tonight to relay from our beloved voters how to choose the right leaders for our nation? Politics is being rampant to all news nowadays. As a queen, how can you use your voice of inspiration tonight to relay for our beloved voters how to choose the right leaders of our nation?
Thank you so much. I would definitely maximize this platform tonight to be the voice of inspiration, to let everyone know that we should practice our rights, and that is the right to vote. And in the upcoming election in 2025, let us all select and elect that person, that politician who we think has the mind to serve the community and be able to help us, to uplift us in the community, so that way we'd be able to have a better society. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat. Candidate number 13.
Thank you, Miss Anne.
And I think we're down to our last.
Yes, sir.
We are down to our last for the top 8. And that would be
Candidate number 10, Miss Tony Fowler.
Miss Tony Fowler. Hi, Miss Tony. Good evening. Good morning.
It has been a long day. We arrived here 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Tapos umalis kami ng Cabanatuan around 10 ng umaga. So, let's do this.
Okay. Si Tony Fowler ba ang ating early bird? Dahil 5 p.m. Nandito na siya kahapon. Okay. So your question.
Thank you.
We've all known the fact that discrimination is still rampant and existing to our younger generation of LGBTQIA+. As a queen, with much experience and succeed a lot of issues in the past, how can you motivate them to always strive and stood up against all the odds of the society? We've all known the fact that discrimination is still rampant and existing to our younger generation of LGBTQIA+. As a queen, with much experience and succeed a lot of issues in the past, how can you motivate them to always strive and stood up against all the odds of the society?
My apologies. I love you for the clarification, of course, for everyone. The question is, we've all known the fact that discrimination is still rampant and existing to our younger generation, the LGBTQIA+. As a queen with much experience and succeed a lot of issues in the past, how can you motivate them to always thrive and stood up against all the odds of the society? Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. In a 1-minute span, I just would like to begin with this. A life without a challenge is like omitting from the word life the letter F. It is a lie. You have to undergo a lot of challenges. I'm a living evidence to this, encouraging the young youth na ang isang umaharap sa inyo ay 50 anyos at wala akong pakialam kung paulit-ulit akong sabihan na ako ay mataba at matanda at parutuloy pa rin dumalaban. Isa lang sasabihin ko, ipinagmamalaki ko, 8 sa mga kapatid ko ang napagtapos ko sa pag-aaral sa kolehiyo dahil sa entabladong ito. And that itself, find your own skills and talent. Because with that skills, wala yang mukha, wala yang height, wala yang katawan. Kapag ikaw ay talentado, siguradong mananalo ka sa buhay. And at the end of the day, remain with this. It's not about how young or how old you are. Life should be considered in a way that you have to find your victory, and with victory, find humility. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 10, Miss Tony Fowler.